Hey lads, TechScanning here. So while Honor has recently launched its Magic 5 series, reportedly the brand is now busy with another lineup, the Honor 90 series that will go against the popular Reno 10 and IQOO Neo 8 series. And the best part, we finally got our first look at the Honor 90 series design language and when the handsets will be hitting the market. Looking at the image, it is showcasing the Honor 90 on the left while the Honor 90 Pro on the right side with speckle texture on its rear panel. So both variants will sport two camera rings. The design of the camera rings on the Honor 90 is slightly different from the Pro model. Each of the model will sport 3 camera sensors and a flashlight, but specs wise Pro model is likely to feature a better camera setup. Let me know what are your thoughts on this design in the comment section below. Unfortunately, the poster or the video teaser didn't reveal the front design of the handsets, but if we go by the rumors, Honor is unlikely to make changes here. This means on both handsets, we will see a curved screen display with a pill-shaped cutout for the two selfie cameras. Earlier, the well-known tipster digital chat station shared some of the key details about the Honor 90 Pro. And he said the handset will come with a 200 megapixel primary camera sensor, while the brand will also do some software tweaks to improve the results. I already have a video on that, so check that out too. For the curious people, the top of the line Honor 90 Pro is tipped to carry the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which is just a step down from the latest chipset, but undoubtedly an excellent performer. Luckily, a recent 3C certification listing revealed that the Honor 90 Pro will get 100-watt fast charging, while the non-Pro variant with fast enough 66-watt charging speed. As per the leaked information, which is also in line with the recent teaser, the Honor 90 series is not far away from us, and this smartphone duo will be unveiled on May 29th. Anyway, we are likely to get more information and maybe live hands-on ahead of the launch date. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.